All right, guys, I got a 2018 Chevy Impala Premier. That's throwing a code P0442 for a small leak common to the evap system. One of the locations to look at to correct this code is the fuel purge valve. This is what the new one looks like. Really simple to install and remove. One bolt, wire harness, and one line. To gain access to it, what you're going to want to do is remove your filter cover, including the boot, all the way up to the throttle body here. Disconnect this. You're going to be disconnecting this line right here and removing these lines. Really simple to remove these. You're just going to push up on those clips, push down, disconnect. For this, there's a little lever right here. You're just going to push in on it and pop it up and out just like that. Loosen up your hose clamps. This whole assembly will come out. Your PCV valve, our purge valve, will be right there. That is the actual hose that you'll be removing. To remove that hose, there's a little lever right there. You're just going to push down on that and your hose will pop right out. Really simple, maybe a 15-minute job to do.